What is up, y'all? Yeah, today's the day. Y'all are about to see the brand new stock class mower, or limited weld. So, figured I'd go ahead and break this a day early. PT's out of the way, so I can get the car out. Come around here. Yeah. So y'all been wondering what's underneath the sheet? Well, time to show it. Oh. There you go. There's the new limited weld mower. What do y'all think of that? All right. Yeah. What do y'all think about that? So, it was time for me to go ahead and step up on my cage. So I did. It's all 1.5 by 3" 1/8" tubing. Nothing overkill. It's all nicely done. Square body hood. And of course, the tried and true little 8-horse. Same motor, same pulley, same belt, same rear end as the first Beast 1.0. But now we're on a round body chassis. 2nd gen steering. A little bit better. Much better cage. Much better. So I got the best tried and true setup on a much stronger chassis. Should do pretty good. I'm happy with it. We'll see what she does. Derby is tomorrow in Hallsville, Kentucky. Two Rivers Buddy Ball. So come on out, watch a show. There's a lot being ran. It's for charity to help out kids that are disabled or with special needs. So come out, support the show, and I guarantee you'll be happy with the show. A lot of us guys are going to send it. Yeah. So too bad the sun wasn't out. You could actually see how nice this paint is, because I took the time and all hand painted and clear coated. It's shiny. It's not as nice anymore because it's been sitting around, banged up. Yep. I'm happy with it. I think she'll do pretty good. And since it's going to an out-of-state show, I had to represent Indiana. So yeah. So, yep, there you have it. Finally getting to see the new limited weld mower. Give me a like if you like it. Give me a thumbs up, whatever. Leave me a comment what you think. You think it's gonna do good? I know a lot of y'all that I'm gonna be running up against gonna be watching this video. Y'all been waiting to see it. Here it is. Not really any secrets or anything. It's a little bit better than my last one, cage wise, but everything else is pretty much the same. It's reliable. It's probably stronger up front. It's got a better hood on it. And all thread, which is something new. 3/4 inch all thread. And the exhaust box is welded up to the rules. Everything's built to the rules. So we'll see what it does. I'm curious. Now I took my time on this one for the most part. If I build another one, I've got, I can do better on the next one. It's all fancy and nice. I like it. So yeah. Let me know what y'all think. Was it worth the wait? Hope it was. I can't wait to run this thing tomorrow. So yeah. But I'm gonna get back to work. I'm gonna finish up painting the customer mower so it's ready for tomorrow. Sorry I can't show you that. That's his wishes. So you have to wait until tomorrow to see it. Yeah, I'm gonna get back to work before it rains. Get this tucked back in the garage. So to the next one. Later, y'all. Yeah.